Hey, welcome to Responsive Theme Tutorials. Let's learn how to install and activate the Ready Site importer. This will give you complete access to free Ready Sites of Responsive. We have already installed a Responsive theme. Let's learn how to install Ready Site importer. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for Ready Site importer. Click on Install Now button for responsive Ready Site importer. Once installed, click on Activate. Once Ready Site importer is activated, you have complete access to free ready-to-use websites of Responsive. To access, go to Appearance, Ready Sites. And here is the list of responsive ready-to-use websites. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video, share and subscribe to this channel for more such tutorials.